In this video, I'm going to show you the two ways that you can download the Cisco Jabber app for making phone calls at North Clackamas School District remotely. So what I'm going to do is first tell you about this NCSD portal here. If you have a Macintosh computer, you're going to notice down in your dock a little icon that is white and it says North Clackamas School District. I'm using my personal computer, so I don't see it here. But if you click inside there, you will see an icon that looks like this, and you can go ahead and install that. It may ask you for your username and password, and it may restart your computer. So after I've done that, the other option is here, and you can just go ahead and click on this and download it. So I'm going to go up here to the upper right hand corner and download it. I'm going to go ahead and download it anyway. You're going to see that in the corner it is downloaded it. Now if you have your downloads going to a separate downloads folder, it will go in there. If you have it going to your desktop, you can go there, but it doesn't really matter because you can just click on this here and it's going to open it. And when that happens, you're going to see over here that it has given you two different icons right here. And if you go to this installer pack and just follow that instruction, it will go ahead and download it. What I did, and I'm going to get rid of these here because I already have it, is I went to my hard drive. So I'm going to double click it. And I went to my applications and I looked for my Cisco Jabber app, and I can see that it's right there. So what I'm going to do is just grab it and pull it down to my dock. So if I go down to my dock or my launcher, close this up, you're going to see that it is right here. If you click and hold on it, you can go to these options and you can say, hey, automatically open at login. So if you need to make phone calls and you want it open there, you can. I would not suggest that you do this if you're doing a lot of video conferences and all that kind of stuff. Just check it when you need to. But you can do that and it will automatically open. You can always quit it if you need to. So that's how you install the Jabber app on your computer.